Antibiotic resistance is one of the greatest threats to humankind. So by 2050, we'll be seeing around 10 million deaths per year due to antibiotic resistance. My name's Associate Professor Amy Cain, and I work at Macquarie University. Bacteria are really clever. They can pass antibiotic resistance genes between each other, and this results in a global spread of resistance genes. As soon as one antibiotic resistance is seen somewhere in the world, it will spread globally. About half of the antibiotic resistance-related deaths are caused by only 7 bacterial species. These are called the escape pathogens, and this is because they escape the action of the antibiotic. Some more experimentation. My group uses functional genomics techniques to study these escape pathogens. That's the most important part right there. We ask how we can develop new antibiotics and new strategies to treat these really deadly pathogens in an effective way. But I also established and run the Galleria Research Facility here at Macquarie. These are the Galleria melanella wax moth larvae, and they're a really useful, ethical, and effective animal model alternative to, say, mice. This means that we can easily take drugs that have really promising data in the lab, what we call in vitro data, and get it into a body, what we call in vivo studies. And these are really the very first step to clinical trials and getting drugs closer to patient use. I used to work in Malawi in sub-Saharan Africa in a big public referral hospital for the Wellcome Trust. I set up a research program that was tracking hospital-acquired infections that are usually caused by these really nasty escape pathogens, and that program is still ongoing. Being on the ground in the hospital and looking at the infection control techniques and actually what's implemented in the hospital is a really important step for scientists to understand what the impact of their lab data has on the real world and on patients. I'm absolutely floored to be awarded the Gottschalk Medal. A lot of my scientific idols have gotten this medal, and I've seen them do great things with science, and I just humbly hope that I can also provide some big steps forward in my field of antibiotic discovery and drug development.